LevelUp is the first ever self-serve guided platform designed to help high-skilled professionals prepare strong, well-structured immigration profiles for EB1A, O1A, and EB2-NIW pathways. LevelUp brings clarity to a complex process by helping you organize your achievements, understand what matters for immigration, and take the right actions at the right time. LevelUp helps you structure your professional profile, generate your field of expertise based on profile, discover the right opportunities, create application-ready content, organize evidence based on official USCIS criteria. It's time to explore what LevelUp is and how it will help you.
Your journey with LevelUp starts with profile setup. This is the foundation for everything inside LevelUp. You'll add your projects, innovations, patents, and achievements. Each entry helps LevelUp understand your true expertise and professional impact. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on clarity. You can always refine details later. Once your profile reaches sufficient completeness, LevelUp generates your field of expertise. This field of expertise becomes the backbone for opportunity recommendations, content creation, and evidence mapping across the platform. This is your dashboard, your control center. Here, you'll see your field of expertise, recent activity, recommended opportunities, drafts, evidence coverage, and next steps, all in one place. Now let's move to opportunities based on your profile. LevelUp surfaces relevant awards, memberships, judging roles, publications, and speaking opportunities. Each opportunity includes full context, so you can decide whether to apply, explore further, or generate supporting content. The AI Creator helps you generate application content, recommendation letters, and scholarly drafts using your profile and evidence. All content remains fully editable and transparent, designed to support your work, not replace your judgment. Finally, your evidence management hub. This is where you upload and organize documents and links against official USCIS criteria. This ensures everything is structured, accessible, and ready. Whether you're reviewing your case or working with an expert,